Welcome, welcome. I'm super excited you're here with me today. My name is Cindy, and I empower career changers, transitioning teachers, and those returning to the workforce to find amazing jobs that match their current life. Okay, today we are going to talk all about LinkedIn photos. This is important, everybody. This is important. Employers are looking at your LinkedIn before they are deciding if they are calling you in for an interview, and definitely before they decide if they're going to hire you. The LinkedIn photo is the number one thing that they look at. So here's how you can have a great number one, and the most important, get rid of all the clutter in the background. Do not take a picture in your kitchen, in a restaurant, in your classroom, in your bedroom. You get the point. Oh, and for goodness sakes, I see this more than anything else, not in your car. A selfie in the car is not a good LinkedIn photo. Okay, this is a reflection of you, of your personal brand. You're going to represent them in the company. Put in the effort to take a good picture. Okay. Number two, make sure the picture is just of you. Sometimes we get all dressed up, we're going to a wedding and we have our spouse, our kids, other people, or we were in a group at work, we have this great photo and we kind of cut the rest of the people out of the photo. Don't do that. Okay, just a photo of yourself. Okay, nobody else in the photo. Okay, just you. Number three, put on the blazer. It makes a huge difference. Take off the t-shirt, get out of the t-shirt, lose the sweater, put on the blazer. You're trying to show yourself in a professional way, especially if you are looking to make a pivot in your career, re-enter the workforce, go from one career to another. You want to show yourself as that professional person that you're hoping they see you as. Okay, and special note for transitioning teachers, get out of the classroom. Don't use your school photo. Everybody recognizes those gray and blue background photos. Get out of the school, get out of the classroom, get a clean wall or do it outside with some muted green background and take a good photo. Look at the camera, smile, have good lighting as you are taking that photograph, okay? These are all things that you can do. It is so easy, and it's gonna have a tremendous impact on your job search. So take this weekend, this very weekend, give somebody your smartphone. They take fantastic pictures. Put the blazer on, take some pictures, smile. It's the best, simplest thing that you can do to elevate your job search right now. I hope you found this super helpful. This is what I do. I empower individuals to land amazing jobs through one-on-one hand-holding, kick-butting support. Let's have a free 45-minute discovery call to talk about how I can help you to be successful in your job search. I hope you have a super productive week. Always remember your warrior, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.